In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a sprint in Jira. If you're managing projects using Jira, understanding how to effectively close a sprint is essential to maintaining workflow and progress. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the active sprints view in your Jira account. This is typically found on your Scrum board. The active sprint section is where you'll manage the current activities and see the progress you're making. If you're working with several different sprints at once, it's crucial to focus on the one you're ready to close. Now, if you have multiple sprints in progress, there's an easy way to locate the one you want to close. You'll notice a drop-down menu where all your active sprints are listed. Use this drop-down to select the specific sprint you're ready to complete. This selection ensures you're focusing on moving forward with just the tasks associated with that particular sprint. Once you've identified and selected your sprint, you'll find a button labeled Complete Sprint. Simply click on this button. Doing so triggers Jira to show a summary of both complete and incomplete issues in your sprint. This information is valuable as it gives you insights into what's been achieved and what might need additional focus moving forward. With this summary in hand, you must decide how to handle any incomplete issues. Unresolved tasks need to be carefully considered to prevent them from slipping through the cracks. You have three main options to consider for these issues. First, you can choose to move them back to the backlog. This is ideal if those tasks need to be reassessed or planned for a more suitable time in future sprints. The backlog is essentially a holding pen for tasks that aren't immediately pressing but will be picked up down the line. Another option is to transfer unresolved issues to the next sprint. This choice is beneficial if the tasks still align with current objectives and there's opportunity to complete them soon. Moving issues forward keeps momentum going and ensures nothing is overlooked. Alternatively, you might choose to create a new sprint altogether for these incomplete issues. This is particularly useful if the tasks form a cohesive set that requires dedicated focus, apart from other upcoming work. Once you've determined the most appropriate actions for your incomplete tasks, it's time to confirm the completion of your sprint. This final confirmation indicates that you've reviewed everything and taken appropriate actions to keep your workflow organized. By following these steps, you can efficiently close a sprint and maintain a well-organized project management system in Jira. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Jira management skills.